Hey guys, it's Connor with Triton. Today we're going to take a look at the Ronin second focal plane 1:6 LPVO. This optic is approximately 8.7 inches in length and weighs 0.69 pounds. Some of the key features of this optic are that it is fully nitrogen purged, the lenses are fully multi-coated, it offers 60 MOA of windage and elevation adjustment, which can be adjusted here. This Ronin features a CTM S5 reticle with 6 different brightness settings that can be adjusted here on the side. The field of view for this optic is 97.5 feet at the lowest magnification setting and 22 feet at the highest magnification setting. Now you may be wondering, what comes in the box with a Ronin? You will get one cleaning cloth, a set of scope caps, one battery, and some tools. This has been a general overview of the Triton Ronin 1:6 second focal plane LPVO.